Seat is now attached, and remember to attach first this and then these two ones. And like you can see, it's an awful. I will try to bend it. It starts to be quite okay. I used some hammering for that corner, and we can see that it is the angle of both sides. It is pretty much the same. There is still a difference between these. This part was a little bit bended, so I try to get this tube a little bit backward. Okay, it's still a little bit like this, but it's almost there.
Right position. Okay, it's right.
It's almost there. Okay, this is the back side. It's quite okay now. It's ready for welding. It's quite well formed now. Another side, there is this extra metal added here. It might be a good idea to add it also on this side, so that it will be okay. It's now good enough for welding. Like you can see, both sides, left and right, are pretty much on the same angle. The upper part, the tubes here, little bit bended. That one is a little bit bended, but maybe good enough. It looks straight. So it's ready. And from here, it came now back from the welding. There are a lot of fixed places, about 30 places that have been fixed. Hopefully it will now withstand without bending. Let's see. At least this is much stronger than the earlier one. There is a lot of extra metal added here, so it should be good now. Let's put some paint. I have now added some rust prevention spray here.
And when this is dried, then I will just put some black so it looks nicer, but it should not be now so. It should be now more robust for some moisture. So let's wait about 10 minutes and then it's ready for the final painting and drying, and after that I can get foams back.
Okay, now there is first layer of black. Now it's got a second layer of black spray, so it's ready for drying. Maybe after 2 days I will attach the foams back.